Coimbatore, known as the Manchester of South India, is a vibrant city surrounded by the Western Ghats, offering a perfect balance between business, nature, and wellness. Here are the top 10 spas in Coimbatore, India, each known for its quality, ambience, and expertise. The first one is Zero Two Spa. Zero Two Spa is one of the Coimbatore's most popular premium spa chain, offering professional therapies such as Swedish, Balinese, and aromatherapy massages. The soothing decor and trained therapists ensure a deeply relaxing experience, ideal after a long day of shopping or work. The second one is Tetwa Spa, located inside the Residency Tower. This luxury spa is a sanctuary for those seeking a mix of modern comfort and ancient wellness traditions. This spa offers signature body wraps, detox therapies, and couples packages in a serene and elegant environment. The third one is La Meridian Spa. This spa combines global standards with Indian hospitality. Treatments include deep tissue massages, hot stone therapy, and herbal facials designed to regenerate body and mind. The peaceful setting and attentive service make it a top luxury choice in this city. The fourth one is River Day Spa, a well-known day spa offering a wide range of services from Thai massages and body scrubs to foot reflexology and facials. The interior are beautifully designed and the therapists are trained to provide customized treatments that suit each guest's need. The fifth one is Aura Thai Spa. Aura Thai Spa bring authentic Thai wellness experiences to Coimbatore. This spa offers traditional Thai, Balinese, and herbal compressed therapies using natural oils. It's an excellent choice for those who prefer a blend of relaxation and therapeutic body work. The next one is Oriza Wellness Spa. Oriza Wellness Spa stands out for its blend of modern wellness with Ayurveda. The menu includes body scrub, massages, and natural facials using herbal products. The race course location offers a quiet and peaceful escape in the heart of the city. The next one is Ananya Wellness and Spa. This wellness center offers Ayurvedic and international therapies focusing on stress relief, detox, and skin rejuvenation. With calm interior and personalized service, it's perfect for both short and long spa sessions. The next one is Oriana Spa, a modern and vibrant spa offering a wide range of massage therapies such as Swedish, deep tissue, and reflexology. The staff are friendly and professional, and the spa maintain high hygiene standards, ideal for those looking for a convenient urban retreat. The second last is Ayush Wellness Spa, focusing on Ayurvedic healing and holistic wellness. Ayush Spa offers authentic treatments using herbal oils and old age techniques, from Abhyangam to Sri Yodhara. These techniques help rejuvenate the body and calm the mind. The last one is White Lotus Spa. White Lotus Spa is a boutique wellness space known for its peaceful atmosphere and effective therapies. With signature aroma massage, scrubs, and relaxation rituals, it's perfect for those who want premium care in a quiet, intimate setting.